Hey guys, so today I have something special that I'm going to do. I have had two Schlage key and keyless electronic lock set and deadbolts that I have had on the shelf for about 15 years, and we can see that it was shipped from Schlage in Kansas March 23rd, 1991. So this lock is, what's that, 26 years old, 26-year-old lock. And I have two of them. I grabbed both of them off the shelf in case there were missing parts, but I do not believe there are. And we are going to check out a 1991 version of a electronic lock. It's like a dial combination lock. So, let's get to that. Let me go find a mount that I can use for this, and we will be right back. The KN150 Plymouth key and keyless, mounted, and about to take batteries for the very first time. We have gone through our manual to do the startup procedure, which is slide the button to off, center position, so off. Lock the knob by placing in a horizontal position. Remove battery cover by grasping at the bottom for the first time ever. And when we get the fourth battery in, it should set off an alarm. Ooh, these used AAAs, which is kind of unusual. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, nothing. No alarm. Should be right. Oh wait, let's see what we got going on here. Not contacting. There goes our alarm. Tamper alarm. Now we wait 30 or 60 seconds. Gosh, I hope those batteries wouldn't connect. It said it will alarm. It'll beep for 15 seconds, so you just have to wait 60 seconds afterward. Awesome. So we can use the timer to do that. In the meantime, we're going to figure out how to program this bad boy. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. Alright, so we're going to, after the 60 seconds is up, which will be about 2:45 on my clock, while the 0 is flashing. Okay, so hit the button, rotate to 0, hit the button again. Oh, gotta be quick. Okay, so button, zero, program. We're going to go to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now select the code switch to down position, still down, and enter your master code. So we're going to, now the temporary code. So the temporary code, we have to slide the switch down, still down, and we're going to enter your master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it says U. Slide up, press and release the code button, P, and then we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are locked right now, so we're going to turn. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlocked. It only unlocks once. 2, 3, 4. Unlocked. Look at that. So let's do the temporary code. 4, 3, 2, 1. Unlocked. So beautiful. Oh, and we need to go into normal programming, so we move the switch up. So when you don't want the temporary code to unlock the door, move the code to single down to lock out. So that locks out the temporary code. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. It's locked out. Okay, the alarm function. Let's test this. The alarm 3 position. Right position. Instant on and delay. Delay is left. Center position's off. You have 30 seconds if somebody, the alarm will sound. Okay, so let's go. Let's try alarm. So that's alarm would be, put that back on. We are in alarm mode now. Yay! Okay, so let's check out delay. So it gets 30 seconds to enter the correct code. I didn't, so if I like, trying to figure it out. Hadn't been 30 seconds yet, so maybe should go off here in a bit. There it goes. Okay, let's put the battery in this one. I'm gonna assume that. All right. That was probably this plastic ring. May have to snap that ring in after. Well, definitely goes on before. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. We're gonna lock it. Okay, locking the deadbolt. Locking without a key. Step outside, close the door, rotate until you feel a firm stop. Press the exit button. So you open the door, press that button, and lock it. Okay, locked. Now and it frees it up. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. So nice. All right, and then we're gonna check this out. Let's make sure we can get all this in camera. We're gonna do the whole shebang. We want to keyless our way into this door. So it is locked and it is locked. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlocked. Unlocked. That is so awesome. I want this on my door now. Alright, locked. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so because of how it's made, you have to turn the knob, otherwise it re-triggers. So you would have to, if you were walking in the door, you would have to do this. You'd have to go pretty quickly. Awesome. There you have it. Schlage key and keyless. And it is communicating through this infrared port right here. So what you want to know is if we blocked that, would it work? That's what I want to know. Alright, so let's block it somehow. I'll put the camera back over here. Let us block that infrared port. Okay, infrared port blocked. So locked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlocked. Oh! Oh! It blocks it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't block it. Look at that. Okay, so Schlage, key and keyless, 1991.